Hello everyone, it's Cribby Nee. Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody just having a wonderful day and that your day is going good as mine and that you're in the best of health. As you notice, the government has decided, with the words of Mitch McConnell, concerning the stimulus checks. And I think that the stimulus checks that will be given out is a failure, because $600 is nowhere near enough money that's needed to get this economy a jump start that it needs. So this is your U.S. government at your service, broke and busted and never can be trusted. In life, if you don't have, listen at this, in life, if you don't have a backup plan, in times such as these, you're in big trouble. This is just another reason why so many Americans are moving out of the country. They're going to other places to survive. The madness of the politicians that they keep voting into office just to fail them. Just to fail them. So Mitch McConnell blocks the Senate vote on a bigger stimulus checks. And I was thinking $2,000 from $2,000 to $4,000 would help the people that's in the food lines, that's late on their rent and bills, and that will help them to catch up. Because for the most part, most of us have been paying taxes since we've been alive. And we're still going to pay taxes until we die. So people are already frustrated over the vaccine rollout, which did not go out like it should have, or like it was spoken to go out. And we got a new virus now that's welcomed itself aboard. And I think the first state was in Colorado, I think. So in the meantime, between the time, a $600 stimulus check is coming your way. And you better take that and spend it wisely, because you don't know what else you're going to see from the U.S. government unless Biden can get in there and make some things happen. Checks are officially on the way, which still is not enough money to make it in these troubled times. Far behind as some people are on their mortgages, their car payments, rent, and everything else that they have not paid, been delaying, waiting on the government. Okay? They bailed the banks out. But now it comes to you, and you sitting there waiting for them to do something, and they playing these games. Don't forget, these are the same people that we continue to vote in office every year. Think about that. Give it some thought. Whether you're Democrat or Republican or whether independent, whatever you are, think about that. Because I know right now a lot of people are in a hurt. Individuals who's earned less than $75,000, and these married filling jointly, who earn less than $150,000 in 2019 are eligible for the full amount. So this $600 is just a drop in the bucket when so many people have lost their jobs due to COVID-19. So basically what the government just did to you was throw you a bone. That's all it did, was just throw you a bone and see what you're going to do with that bone. And the bone that just threw you ain't got no meat on it. And we can save other countries from financial disaster and despair. Then what about America? Many businesses won't come back. And so a lot of jobs are doomed because the small businesses won't come back. And we know how important it is in the economy to have the small business up thriving, so the economy can be vibrant. They got to find a way to get that money. You got less, so you better take that $600 and you better make it work a miracle for you. Because if you don't, you better get on your knees. You better start praying right now. Because this is just a calm before the storm. So this is your government that you voted for and that you keep voting for year after year after year. Let's see what the new administration can come up with. Our country already is trillions of dollars in debt because of out-of-touch government officials. If they don't put their heads together and fix the country in 2021, it will fail, or should I say, it will fall like a ton of bricks. So I just wanted to come with this short video. It's frustrating, it's aggravating, throwing people just a $600 bone that most of you guys been working your whole lives for Uncle Sam. He's been keeping most of your money, and you know there's an old saying, the more you make, the more they take. If it's overtime, if it's bonuses, whatever it may be. So this is definitely a time to stay close to God. Don't give up the ship. Don't worry. Don't fret. Just believe that better days are coming. Better days are coming. But some of these days won't come until we begin to make some differences from the people that we put into office. We're going to see what happens then. Okay? Because talk is cheap, but I'm telling you, it takes money to buy land. Now, this is my first stimulus video that I did, but I wanted to do it to let you know this is the calm before the storm. You got to protect yourself, protect your family, and know that $600 will not go nowhere near as far as you think it is. So if they don't come up with nothing else than what they did, God knows it is definitely praying time. So in the meantime, between the time, always remember that life is to be enjoyed. Hit that subscription and notification. And guess what? We'll see you on the next video. And hopefully you can be doing better financially than you are doing now. Peace.